Now, this is the picture of a hen eating its food. What is the hen eating? Worms and sometimes some grains in the ground. So that's it. Okay, so this is also very colorful. Now, here is a 9 and 6. From the numbers 9 and 6, we can make the picture of two birds sitting near to each other on a branch of a tree. Okay, so the first bird has been drawn, and now we're drawing the second bird, and its tail is now being drawn. Then we can draw the branch on which the birds are sitting. And now this is becoming two fish facing each other, traveling in opposite directions. So two wave-like lines are converted into the picture of a fish. Wonderful, right? It's very lovely also. Now, 1, 2, 3. Hey, 1, 2, and 3. It can be transformed to the picture of a parrot. We can draw its legs, and this parrot is sitting on a branch of a tree, and its leaves are drawn. Very good.